was skittled off, earning Zarco a long lap penalty for the incident. With 9 laps left in BRNO, the rookie sensation struck and Binder was in the lead of a MotoGP race for the first time. On the same lap, Zarco took his long lap penalty. Meanwhile, Binder raced on, Morbidelli held firm and the battle at the front became one of nerves. The fight just behind the top two was starting to heat up though, and with Zarco staying ahead of Quartararo, it seemed like solid damage limitation for the championship leader if he held fourth. First to complete the race was Binder. The South African made the graft and grind look easy, for over 4 seconds clear after more than 4 years of tireless work from the Austrian factory to see the RC16 come home first and Binder etch his name into Premier Class and KTM folklore.
Lights out here in MotoGP. What a start from Aleix Espargaro from the second row. Fabio Quartararo is trying to go toe-to-toe already with his teammate Franco Morbidelli. It will be the whole shot for the Frenchman. Aleix Espargaro goes through in third. Pipe back though. Here we go. Paul and Aleix.
It's a family affair in the top 6 here in Brno. There's no... Paul Espargaro tries again at turn 3. Tried this on the last lap and then couldn't make it stick. As he finally got away through on Johann Zarco. Yes, he's hugging that tighter inside line. He just made... There was no way for Zarco to turn in. That was a smart bit of riding there by...
Oh, it's 2 KTMs on the podium right now. Oh, wide.
Well wide. That's going to be really costly. He's going to lose at least one spot.
He's gone down! He's gone down. It was just too much to ask. Pit Myra, and the team can't believe it. Was there contact between him and Johann Zarco? He's got his arms up wondering what's happened.
There was definitely a nudge. It's a disaster. Quartararo's really suffering, isn't he, with grip here? Really suffering.
World Championship leader Fabio Quartararo is in 4th. But funnily enough, despite being off the podium, his championship not really affected.
Fabio Quartararo is really struggling. He's got no tyre underneath him. Last time around he did a 59.9. He was 1.1 seconds slower than Zarco, 9/10 slower than his teammate Morbidelli. And that means Viñales now down in 10th place.
Here we go, here comes Rins up the inside of Fabio Quartararo. In here goes Rossi, through on the World Championship leader.
Miguel Oliveira does eventually make quite light work of Fabio Quartararo. This is a humbling experience for Fabio Quartararo, isn't it? Yes, 6th place for him, but he's not being punished at all by his championship rivals, Dovizioso and Viñales. In fact, he's actually stretching his lead. Didn't work out for Zarco at all. He didn't get the launch with that Ducati hole shot device. He would not have used it very often, would he? Just 3 times. And there he is down in 6th place. And here comes Zarco, blitzing by Quartararo. Quartararo's having grip problems here, big style. And Zarco through at turn 1. And on the podium now, irresponsible riding in the long lap penalty for Johann Zarco.
Here he's going for it.
He's in.
He's got to try and stay behind that line though. Has he done it? Well, it's close, isn't it? I mean, full marks for his effort. Full marks for his effort.
I'm not being funny, but he was almost having his knee down. The circuit was filthy.
Franco Morbidelli takes 2nd and Zarco holds on to 3rd. We've not seen this Franco Morbidelli since his World Championship winning year in Moto2. He's 8/10 of a second clear already on this opening lap. Franco Morbidelli has got a gigantic lead already over Aleix Espargaro on the Aprilia.
Franco Morbidelli has taken his first MotoGP podium finish. He led for such a long time, but he had nothing in response to Brad Binder's searing pace. But good to see Morbidelli 2nd.
Brad Binder, is he trying to hang it around the outside? He is, of his teammate. Look at the number 33, he almost loses the front end.
Somebody's wide there as well.
Brad Binder, what's he doing? Here he comes again, Brad Binder up the inside. He retakes 3rd, yes, 3rd. Just incredible from the rookie.
Well, we keep saying, South African fans, if you're tuning in, you've got a new motorsport hero. Do you know he's going for it up the inside of the World Championship leader? He's done it. What a move by Binder. And he's got that inside line. He knows that Quartararo can't turn in on him. Brad Binder in his 3rd MotoGP Grand Prix goes into 2nd place.
Well, and it's coming now. Up the inside he goes. The rookie, Brad Binder, on the Red Bull KTM leads a Grand Prix here in Brno. Let that sink in. Brad Binder is about to start the final lap. The longest lap of his life. Brilliant! You beauty! A blazing victory for Binder. A new star is born.
Pascal Siakam scored 26 points.